Well, I got a tire shine product for you here. It is called Chemical Guys Galactic Black Wet Look Tire Shine dressing. So, this one is going to go against, though, one I've already reviewed, the good old Armor All tire foam, which I'll be putting on the front tire as a comparison. So this one is, let's see, gloss enhancers. Well, isn't that something? Pretty well, you spray it on, and well, you get to where it is and where it's been on there a while, and then you can wipe it off. So we're going to spray this on, and then we will wipe her off. So there we go. I got the spray. So, oh, she goes on. Yeah. Don't know how much I had to put on. That looks just about fine. Don't want to put too much on, do I? But this one should do a great job, I'm hoping. Now, let us go over to the spray foam of the Armor All tire foam, which we're going to do over here. And this one, it looks like I have to tilt this a little so I can get her perfectly in the shot. And nothing like setting up camera. Well, now I got to tilt her up a little. Shots. All right. In this one, I'm just going to spray the foam on and let it sit, and let's see what kind of job it does. This is just a comparison. I've already done this tire foam on my channel. I just want to see how well it will work against the other one. So there we go. We got her sprayed on, and I think they'll both do a pretty good job, I'm hoping. I know the tire foam one does actually work. So let us go back to this one over here, which I don't know what it's doing, and now I have to adjust camera again because this tire is up on a ramp. And this is also on my Jeep Patriot, which I'm fixing up. Did some great painting on it. Got work done on it. I did the work. But yes, okay, well, you know what? We're just going to leave these right now, and we're going to come back in about 5 minutes to see how far they've gone. So it's been 5 minutes. Let's see how this thing is working out. Actually, not too bad. I think this stuff is working pretty good. It looks black, not too shiny. You know, that one is the Chemical Guys Black, Galactic Black Wet Look. So far that's working out. The comparison one is the Armor All tire foam, which also is doing a pretty good job, I must say, after 5 minutes. Now, I did something else here, just to compare a few of them together. I sprayed the other wheels. This one is Dry Shine Foaming Tire. I want to see how they all look when they're clean. And this one here, I sprayed with the good old TS2 Tire Shine. And we're going to see how that one looks also. But remember, all comparing these to the Galactic Black. So we're hoping the Galactic Black will turn out nice, and so far it looks really good. So let us wait another 5 minutes, and we'll check it out then. Well, first I'm going to show you the competitors first. This one is the Armor All tire foam. It actually did a nice job. Usually does. They know how to make tire foam, at least. Let us go over to... This one is the Dry Shine. It's not bad. It looks dry, and it looks good. There's some... Oh, no, that's my fault. Yeah, I got some white specks on the tire there, so that's my fault. But the rest of it looks good. Remember, these are only the ones that I'm testing against the Galactic Black chemical guys. This one, well, this one too doesn't look too bad, does it? Wow, they've all turned out to look pretty good. So I don't think any of them are doing a bad job. And this one is the TS2 Tire Shine, High Performance Tire Shine, which did a nice job. And now we're going to look at the old chemical guys, Galactic Black Wet Look. Well, let's take a look. Yes, it does look pretty black. It looks pretty good. I would say this one is a winner. I didn't even have to wipe this tire to get it to look this good. You can pretty well just spray it, I guess, and it will look good. But if you have some crap on your tire or something, it's probably wise to give her a good spray. But yeah, I was actually looking forward to this actually working good, and it does. So it does have some gloss to it, which they said, but it is very dark and black, which is nice. So I would say this is a win for my vehicle, at least, to have all these tires cleaned. And they all look pretty good. I'm actually quite amazed. But I don't know what to say. I would say, stupid fly biting my leg, I would have to say this one may look the best. It does seem a little blacker than the rest. So there you go. Galactic Black for the win. Thanks for watching, and I'll continue to bring you videos in the future.